Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USMJ. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, a very popular chart out there. A lot of people talking about it, and rightfully so. These triple zeros can be very popular, especially when they start moving, and this one has been moving. Took a little break today, took some consolidation, and there's nothing wrong with that. I don't want to say I got messages from people freaking out, because that would be me exaggerating a little bit, but hey, Clay, what's going on? What's going on? And as fun as it would be for a price to be green every single day, that's just not how the market works. That's just not realistic. Consolidations can be perfectly healthy. How do you know if they're healthy? Well, just simply put, if they stay up above levels of support and put in higher lows, then that's a good sign. And that's exactly what happened with USMJ today. In fact, it's actually still maintaining that ideal level of support that I talked about yesterday. I mean, if you were to say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And as I talked about yesterday, if the price can stay up above 0008, that would be a very, very powerful sign. And temporarily speaking, the price did drop below it today, but by the time the closing bell came around, was able to close right up at 0008. So 0008, the ideal level of support, is still acting as support. Now, as I also prefaced yesterday's statement, now if the price does ultimately fall below it, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's ruined, but if the price can stay above there, that is definitely going to be a very powerful sign for the bulls. And so far, so good. Granted, it's been one day, but hey, you got to take what the market's giving you, and it is maintaining above there. So in other words, sure, it was a quote unquote red day today, but by no means does that imply that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Because heck, just to illustrate this, let's say the price actually pulls down here, down to 0006, bounces around a little bit before heading back up. Not saying that'll happen, but let's just pretend. Even at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here, and then the previous set of lows down there. So if you picture these as stair steps, the overall trend would still easily be in the upwards direction. So 0008, ideal area of support, but 0006, still gives the bulls plenty of leeway in order to build a long-term uptrend. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here. 0009 still acted as resistance today, so that's public enemy number one going into tomorrow, and then maybe even next week. All in all, though, healthy day. Just got to chalk it up as consolidation. As long as consolidation happens at higher lows, that's really all you can ask for. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.